So guys, we have come across so many leaks from the past few months for the Moto Edge Plus, but officially the phone was non-existent. We heard nothing from Motorola about its upcoming flagship phone, but yesterday Motorola in a tweet finally mentioned the smartphone, the launch date, and also confirmed few of its details. Motorola's official Twitter account reveals the company will host a digital launch event for the device on April 22nd. Yes, next week on Wednesday they are gonna launch the flagship phone. The launch announcement information doesn't mention the handset by name, though we are pretty confident this event is for Motorola Edge Plus, and maybe they will even launch the mid-range phone Moto Edge along with it. In the teaser video shared by Motorola, it shows the nearly 90-degree curve of a waterfall display, meaning we are sure to see this display on a Moto phone. I don't know how many of you will like this, but to be honest, the display looks amazing. Interestingly, this is said to be Motorola's first phone with a 90Hz screen as well, so Motorola doesn't seem to be compromising on display. While Motorola is yet to officially talk about the specifications of the Motorola Edge Plus, current rumors point out that the Edge Plus is expected to use a large 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with full HD Plus resolution, and as I mentioned earlier, it will have waterfall display and 90Hz panel. Along with the display, another major improvement that will happen will be in camera department. Details surrounding the camera setup remain scarce at the moment, but we do know that the phone gets a 108MP primary camera along with maybe 16MP ultra-wide and 8MP telephoto lens. And since this is a flagship, we can be sure that it will feature the powerful Snapdragon 865 chipset, which also means the smartphone will come with 5G connectivity and will make it the first 5G phone from Motorola. That is, if we don't include Moto Z3 with Moto mod for 5G. We expect the phone to be sold in an 8 plus 128GB and 8 plus 256GB variants at least. The rumored battery size is 5170 mAh, which is massive, and to charge this we believe they will provide with fast charging capabilities. All in all, this phone looks promising with its waterfall display, huge battery, 108MP camera, and many other things. I will keep you posted for more information on Moto Edge Plus, so do subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace out.